Hello listeners, welcome to Chat Tale English Stories. Today we will discuss phrases for protecting your peace and wisdom. Protect your peace at all cost. No matter what happens around you, always protect your peace at all cost. It's your inner strength. Silence is power. In a world full of noise and opinion, remember, silence is power. Walk away from anything that disturbs your peace. Your mental health matters more than any argument or situation. Don't waste your energy on things you can't control. Focus your energy on what you can change, not on what you can't control. The best thing is silence. Energy is precious. Don't spend it on things beyond your control. Sometimes the best response is no response. Staying silent can speak louder than words. Silence can be the strongest reply. Phrases for choosing friends. Your circle should support your peace, not disturb it. Surround yourself with people who support your peace, not disturb it. Be around people who feed your soul, not drain it. Choose people who light you up, not those who burn you out. Be around people who nourish your soul, not drain your energy. Surround yourself with those who uplift your spirit, not weigh it down. Not everyone deserves a seat at your table. Not everyone is worthy of your time, trust, or personal space. True friends lift you up, not weigh you down. Real friends bring calm, not drama. Pay attention to who claps when you win. Always notice who claps when you win. These are the people who truly rooting for you. Now it's time to wrap up the meeting. Until then, bye.